Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson is a little bit different. It's not a gospel song or hymn, but one of my subscribers, Maria, wanted me to show her how to play Jambalaya. So I'm doing this for you, Maria, and anybody else that would like to learn this song. It's very easy. It only has 2 chords that you need to play the whole entire song with. But Jambalaya on the Bayou was written by Hank Williams and was released in July of 1952, so it's an old song. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download this song, lyrics, and the chord chart and print that out and follow along as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Okay, before we get into this song, I've heard a lot of comments about what does this song actually mean, some of the words, what does jambalaya actually means. And jambalaya is an American Creole and Cajun dish of French, African, and Spanish influence, consisting mainly of meats and vegetables mixed with some rice and spices. Mostly shrimp, smoked sausage, corn on the cob, potatoes, and Cajun spices, all broiled in water. It just makes a good dish. In fact, my wife and I made that one day earlier this week, and it tastes pretty good. So it's made by using different kinds of meats, but I'm most familiar with the use of shrimp. And then Bayou, that word is mentioned, and that's just a slow-moving creek or swampy section of a river or lake. Like you would see in Louisiana, so forth. And then there's a word called PIROGUE, and PIROGUE is just a long, narrow wooden boat, typically carved from a tree stump, and it's just long and skinny and made to kind of skim across swamps or shallow waters, typically in the South, again, in Louisiana. So those are some of the words used in this song that you may not be familiar with. I just thought I'd share that with you. This song just uses 2 chords for the entire song. Chord of C major, and I'm going to use G7. Because using G7, you have just very little movement between chords. You can use G major, play it this way, but you're going back and forth, and that's fine if you just want to use G major. But C major, you'll have less, or G major, you'll have less movement there, okay? Just a quick review on how to play these chords. To play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string and place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string, don't strum that, just don't hit it, or you can kind of mute it with the top of this finger or your thumb. Just barely rest your fingers on those. So that is C major. Okay, next, to play G7, you want to take finger number 1 and lower it down 1 string to string number 1 on the 1st fret, and then take these 2 fingers and raise them up 1 string each. Okay, and then you can strum all the strings. This is G7. Okay, this is C major and G7, okay? So it's similar shape as the C major, so has a little bit of movement in terms of the shape. You're just simply moving this finger up and down 1 string, and these 2 fingers up and down 1 string. So again, here's C major, and then move these 2 fingers up 1 string, and finger number 1 down 1 string, and that's G major, okay? So, okay, you want to play 2 measures of C major, and then 4 measures of G7, and then back to 2 measures of C major. So 2 measures of C, 4 measures of G7, and then 2 measures of C, and that just simply repeats for the whole song, okay? Okay, the strumming pattern for this song is 4 beats per measure. It's 4/4 timing. For sake of practice, we'll do this pretty slow, And let's strum just the beat number 1 right now, and we'll gradually increase a different kind of strumming pattern and build on this song together. Okay? Goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the pirogue down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Okay, now let's do that again, and let's do down and up strokes this time, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so you got 2 measures of C major. Okay, so it's goodbye, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so let's sing it this time using that same rhythm pattern. Okay, goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the pirogue down the bayou. My Yvonne, the sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Okay, and the chorus is the same strumming pattern. So let's look at the chorus. Okay, let's just jambalaya and a crawfish pie and Philly gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my shares of meal. Pick guitar, feel fruit jar, and be gay-o. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. So you can play this song just using the down-up strumming pattern in its entirety, and that'll sound perfectly fine. Another thing a little bit closer to the original is to kind of pick out some of the bass notes, especially on the C major. So, okay, we're just going to be rotating this third finger between string number 5 and string number 6. Okay, when you're in C major, again, you don't play the top E string, but when you place this finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, you do play all strings in that case. So it'll go something like this. If you look at my strumming hand, you play the bass note first, and then strum all the strings down below it. So. And when you get to G7, you can just hit the top string. And back to C. Okay, so let's do the first verse again using that alternating strumming pattern there. Goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the pirogue down the bayou. Me Yvonne, the sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Okay, it's not a very hard song to learn how to play. You're just utilizing those 2 chords, and again, it's got a second verse, and then then you can repeat the chorus as many times as possible, okay? So if you want to play this song in a different key, like in G major, the two chords would be G major and D, go back and forth. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and hit the like button. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. Again, I would like to thank you, Marie, for suggesting this song. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well for your viewing and your support. So have a great day. God bless you.